This project was to redesign the Loop County, Nebraska website. Specifically, we were to design the homepage, an election page that would allow a user to find their voting precinct, a DMV page for people looking to take their driver test with location requirements, a planning and building page allowing residents to apply for a building permit and see a county zoning map, and lastly, a photo history page showing a photo history of the county with a photo gallery. The site is designed mobile first and responsive so that it can also be viewed on a desktop or laptop computer. I did 5 usability tests during the design process on both the mobile site and the desktop site. From the usability test, I was able to refine the design to make it more user-friendly both visually and physically as they moved through the site. I use the sans serif font of Segoe UI so that it's easier for the user to read the website. I will now walk you through the mobile site for someone trying to find their voting precinct. We open up here on the home page, and on the home page you can see the news and events. We'll click on the menu and go to Government for voting, and from this page you can find your voting location here. You can register to vote if you've already voted, track your ballot, and see election results. You can also go down to quick links and find a voting location there and a lot of other information here. Once you're done with this page, you can go to other departments or services, or you can learn more about your county at the About page, or you can just go home. From now, I will take you to the desktop site and walk you through someone applying for a building permit. So here is the homepage for the desktop laptop site. And to apply for a building permit, you go to departments and go to the planning and building page. And you can go directly to permits to apply for a permit here. You can also find the codes here. And then if you can click down on this item here, and go to the building permit submittal requirements to find out exactly how you need to apply and what you need to apply. And then from here, you can also go to any other services or government site pages, or you can just go home. I enjoyed redesigning the Loop County website and thinking about how a user would navigate through the site most efficiently. Thank you.